Hi guys, what's up? I hope you guys are well. Today I'm here to do a little heart to heart with all of you because I've been feeling horrible in the last 2 days. I'm not really in the best life state right now. Don't go by my pink t-shirt and how I look. It's all makeup and my color that I'm wearing. But yeah, I've been really feeling like I don't know what to do. I'm feeling sort of directionless in a sense that, it's been 2 months that I'm creating all these contents for you all and really talking about my skincare journey and, giving my opinion and reviews on the products that I've been using. And there was a point, a saturation point rather, which just came boom, and I was like, now I don't know what to do. I don't really know what to talk about, and I don't know what to do. How can I see? The whole purpose of doing all of this is, so that I can have a voice, with which I can encourage. Even single person is enough, That is how I really started, to really become like a person who can help another human being in general. I've always racked my brain as to how can I do it in a way which is very personal to me, because only then I will be able to encourage you all. So that has been my constant approach, and I've always spoken about the things that, I have really used and that has helped me, and my own journey as to how vulnerable I have felt and how low on confidence I have felt at times because of my skin before I started my skincare journey. So I just wanted to connect with people doing this, and that was the whole purpose of it. Now when I'm feeling saturated in a sense that now I don't know what to talk about, it just made me feel so sad that so I didn't really know what to do, how to do, and then I just went through all the videos that I've made till now, and I did feel very proud of myself, but at the same time I was like, I have not spoken about the most important thing. The most important thing, the entire reason why I did it, I've just not spoken about that thing here. So today I'm just here to do that, that is why I'm just going to make it very conversational and very intimate and very, very personal. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys that till 2 years before, 2018 to be very precise, till then, I had a lot of acne and a lot of acne scars. The acne scars was more problematic than the acne itself, because acne would come and go, scars would just not go. And I'm an actor. For an actor, your skin, your body, how you present yourself is the product in itself, and skin is the largest organ of your body, which gets noticed at first. So being an actor, it was very difficult. It used to really pull down my confidence every single time I would go for auditions, especially all these beauty products and all. I never even got to audition for them, to be very honest, because they would just say that, oh, your face has, and I didn't even know how to do makeup then. I didn't know how to do it, I'm still learning. So I didn't know how to cover. They would always say, oh, skin pe scars hai, ya skin pe pimples hai, so you will not fit, or whatever, and all these are very random ads, auditions that I'm talking about. So I would really be very, very scarred. It didn't help me to, matlab bahut dur ki baat hai, it didn't do anything good to me. And I'm sure there are a lot of you out there who have been in the situation, who are in the situation maybe where I was 2 years before. And I really felt that as an actor, if I really have to be at my best game, I need to work on it. I need to do something about it. And the most problematic thing with me was I was sitting with my problems because of my repulsion. You know, I was not even accepting the problem. I would just cover it. You know, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to make it too big a problem. I'm just trying to I'm just trying to help you analyze it in a way that, you know, you can really overcome it, because I know it's a very small thing. Really, having the flawless skin will not really take you everywhere. I'm not trying to say that, but I'm just saying that chotu things, you know, really pull down your confidence and how. So I just thought that I need to really work on it, and I really need to figure it out for myself, and that's how I just went to the doctor. You know, पहले बहुत सारे conditioning होती है and बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है where you feel that oh, am I making too much effort, or oh, looking beautiful is I know a lot of people also, you know, shrug this thing of saying why do you need to pay so much attention to it? Oh, makeup lagaya hai, oh, you need to take care of your skin. I've grown up with that conditioning, okay? So that is why it was all the more difficult for me to even realize the problem or recognize the problem or work on it. I just tried to shrug it off. I just thought that people are just born with it or not. So yeah, I just thought, let me do something about it. And then when I went to the doctor, it was a very simple process of understanding your skin and giving it what it needs. You know, the doctor solved my problem of acne, which was there throughout my teenage. In 2 months, not even less than 2 months, few medications and few lifestyle changes, and I stopped getting acne. My acne scars vanished. You know, so can you imagine the kind of confidence I derived after that? You know, for somebody who has to look good constantly, and when I say look good here, I mean look the best version of yourself. It means a lot, you know. So yeah, so I just want to share a couple of pointers with you guys. The first one is to really embrace yourself, okay? And when I say embrace yourself, I don't mean, oh, accept the reality of your life, be positive. No, all that is consolation. We don't want consolation. We want resolution to our problems, right? And that can only come when you have the courage and you have the strength and you have the wisdom to recognize the problems and to start working upon it. Okay, so when I say embrace yourself, recognize your problems. No, okay, theek hai, acne scars hai, and this applies to everything in life. Okay, it's a very general conversation that I'm doing today. It may be something else for somebody else. It may not really be skincare. Okay, so for example, agar acne hai, acne scars hai, so it's not a big deal. You don't need to constantly look at someone else and think why you don't have it. You know, you can just recognize the problem. You can just resolve it, and you can just feel very confident about it, you know. So you just need to accept it, just embrace the person that you are, okay? And that leads you to stop comparing yourself to anyone else also, you know, because I used to think people are just born with it. Oh my god, how beautiful, you know, why do I not have that flawless skin? And oh my god, I don't have that flawless skin. So much pain and disappointment, you know. Stop doing that to yourself. It's not okay. Some people are, yes, born with it, but at the same time you are also born with the things that this person might really covet and might really think that, oh my god, why don't I have this, you know. So stop comparing yourself to anyone else. There is no point. The timeline, the method, the figure, the configuration of your life is very different to the life of another human being. No two people are same, you know. It's a very, very general advice that I'm sure you guys keep hearing from so many people all the time, but please, I'm just here to reiterate it. Please remember, you know, every time you start doing that to yourself, tell yourself that you are different. You are not this person, you know, and you don't know the life of that person. For all you know, that person might have the worst life than you think you have, you know. So don't do that. Just be very grateful for your life. Be grateful for the person that you are. because you are unique, you are important, you are very, very precious. Thirdly, when you do that, you reach to a point where you are constantly trying to become the best version of yourself, and that is the entire game, guys. You just need to be the best version of yourself in whatever you're doing, in whatever, here I'm talking about skincare, suddenly your face will not change, suddenly the color of your skin will not change, suddenly the structure will not change. For the longest I just kept thinking that my face, and I still think that my face is big. Oh my god, why don't I have the sharp chiseled face, which everyone else has? I can't do anything. I can definitely go for surgery, which I don't want to, but other than that there is no option. I can only become the best version of myself. I can only make this what do you call it, what is the word, I forgot the word. You can just make your face the best version of it, yourself the best version of it. Okay, you don't need to do anything else. And I can tell you with so much confidence today, till 2 years before, I could not look at my face in photographs for more than 5 seconds. I would just start काउंटिंग, यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे ये दाग है, ओ माई गॉड ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है. टुडे आई लुक एट माई फेस एंड आई फील ब्यूटिफुल. I look at the videos I have made, I look at my pictures and I think I am beautiful because I am me, I am the best version of myself and I am working on it every single day. I am constantly working on it, so just become the best version of yourself. My chai is here. Cheers. I love chai. Love chai. Okay, just getting back to it. Now, when you become the best version of yourself, you also really want to, you get the desire to also encourage another human being. Today when I post these videos or talk about skincare, and when I just have limited subscribers right now, and maybe they are just my friends, and whenever they say that what is this that you used, or what do you do for this thing, what do you do for that thing, I feel so happy. I just feel that my voice is reaching and people are noticing and people are getting encouraged by it, and then I just give my all to encourage them. I just become like this mad person telling, do this also, do that also, you can try this also, you can try that also, because doing that really encourages me at the same time. When you are encouraging another human being, you are just not encouraging that person, you are getting equally encouraged, so and that is how it works for everything, for all the abundance you have. When you share it, it really grows, two ways. It grows for the person that you are helping and it grows for you at the same time. So really encourage another person. I have been encouraged by so many of my friends, and that was the reason why I've been able to come wherever I've reached by now. My skincare journey would not have started if a friend of mine did not recommend me to a skin doctor. She recommended, I went, and my life changed. It's those simple things. You don't know what little action that you do might really transform the lives of so many other people. So please encourage another human being. When I was in school, I used to be one of those children who, when given the classwork, would write the classwork like this, because you would not want anyone else to see. You would want to just become best yourself and not take other people along with you. That works in school, that does not work in life. You have to take everyone along, so encourage everyone, because you are also getting encouraged at the same time, and you are also learning so many other things. And please don't shy to ask other people for suggestions, for advices, for what they do. It really helps, and it's such a nice, beautiful way of growing together. So really encourage another human being and get encouraged at the same time. The last thing that I want to say is that don't sit with your problems. Don't sit with your problems for long. You might be thinking ठीक है कल कर लेंगे, oh my god ये problem है, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर लूँगी बाद में. It doesn't work like that. Don't sit with your problems for long. There might be various reasons for you to be sitting on with the problems. Okay, I understand there is logistics problems, there is financial problems, there is approvals of your family or so many other people, and you might be seeking validation at all the time. But don't let all these things stop you from growing. If you are still sitting with the problem, if you are still sulking, if you are still cribbing, if till today I would be just sitting and sulking and crying and saying, oh my god, this acne is not going, the scars are just not going, I wouldn't be doing this today. I wouldn't be able to help anyone. I wouldn't be able to help myself. So it's important to take action. Please take action about your problems. Jump onto it, find ways, figure out. No, आजकल तो internet पे there is everything. Just a single click, you find all the solutions. There is so many information out there. I'm not saying just bombard yourself with unnecessary information. Also be vigilant, be wise about what you're consuming at the same time, and follow the people who give you the correct advice. But at the same time, go out and look for solutions to your problems. Find out substitutes. If you think say for example money is a problem, that oh my god I don't have the money to go to the doctor or to buy the skincare products, there is always a substitute. There are always doctors who are good but charge less. There are always skincare products, so many homegrown products, so many. Guys, I'm not even kidding. I feel appalled when I look at all these brands right now. So many homegrown brands. It's mind-boggling, and they are so good. 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 200 rupees, and so amazing. So many products I've already spoken about in my channel already. So there are always substitutes. Please look for substitutes. Don't fear things like nahi hoga, kaise hoga, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai. Everything is there. It's out there. You just need to take action. Okay? Wow guys, I already feel so much better. I've never done this before. Never done this kind of heart to heart. I think I need to do it more. It was really amazing. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to make it. I only made it because I know at least few people would watch it. Few people would watch it till the end. Few people would watch it and get encouraged. I cannot wait to really figure out the ways, how can I make encouraging contents, how can I create something that can resolve your problems, that can make you happy, that can bring some joy to your life, and that would give me a lot of encouragement and a lot of joy myself. So thank you for this opportunity, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, because you guys are empowering me doing this. You guys have no idea what you are doing to my life. Thank you so much, and keep watching. I'm going to come back again with more informative, more helpful videos, and I'm going to see you guys again very soon. Thank you for making my day. I hope I'm able to impart some encouragement to you today. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.